1 in 3 young people in the UK say social media has actively harmed their mental health. Not distracted them, not annoyed them, harmed them. That number keeps climbing. So let's talk about why and what you can actually do. Every app on your phone has been built by some of the best engineers on the planet. They had one goal: not to make you happy, not to connect you with friends, to keep you on the app as long as possible. So before we go further, whose side is it really on? The app is free, but nothing is actually free. When you don't pay with money, you pay with something else: your attention. Advertisers pay the platforms. The platforms need your eyeballs. You are the product being sold. The average person aged 18 to 24 in the UK spends 2 hours and 27 minutes a day on social media. That's 37 full days every year. Think about what you'd do with 37 extra days. That number should feel uncomfortable. Here's the key word: dopamine. It's a brain chemical, but it doesn't actually cause pleasure. It causes anticipation, the craving feeling, the "what if the next post is amazing" feeling. That's what these apps are engineered to trigger, constantly. The techniques are identical to a slot machine. Pull the lever, get an unpredictable reward. Sometimes amazing, sometimes boring. That unpredictability is the addiction. Your feed works exactly the same way. It's not an accident. The algorithm isn't trying to show you what's good for you. It's not trying to make you feel better. It's optimized for one metric only: time on app. Outrage, anxiety, comparison, whatever keeps you scrolling gets shown more. Here's what makes it worse. You're comparing your real, messy, ordinary life to everyone else's highlight reel. The holiday was real. The argument before it wasn't filmed. The skin was filtered. The body was lit, angled, and possibly enhanced. It's not a fair fight. The research is clear. Heavy social media use is linked to a 40% increase in anxiety, double the risk of loneliness, and a 32% rise in depression risk for teenage girls. These aren't small numbers. This is a public health issue. So, what do you actually do? Step 1. Check your screen time right now. Not estimate it, check it. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Screen Time. Android has Digital Wellbeing. Most people are genuinely shocked by what they see. Step 2. Set a hard daily limit. If you're currently at 2.5 hours, try cutting it to 45 minutes. That sounds extreme, but it gives you back 26 days a year. The app will show you a warning when you hit the limit, and you can override it, but you'll have to choose to. Step 3. Curate ruthlessly. Every account you follow is a choice. If someone's content consistently makes you feel worse about yourself, unfollow. You don't owe anyone your attention. Mute without explanation. Follow things that teach you or make you laugh. Step 4. Create phone-free zones. The bedroom and the dinner table are the two highest impact spots. Charge your phone outside the bedroom at night. Even 20 minutes at dinner without it changes how you feel. Small friction, big results. Step 5. Replace, don't just remove. Scrolling fills boredom. If you take away the scroll but leave the boredom, your brain will go back. Pick a 2-minute physical alternative. Walk, stretch, text an actual person, anything that gets you out of your head and into the room. The most common mistake is going cold turkey. It doesn't work. Willpower is finite. It runs out by 10 p.m. Instead, build friction. Move apps off your home screen. Turn off notifications. Make scrolling slightly harder. Tiny barriers add up. Another one. But I need it for work. Fair enough, but set a boundary. A separate account. A time window. Work mode only. Don't let professional necessity become a blank check for the algorithm to do whatever it wants with your attention. Here's the thing I want you to hold on to. You are not weak. You are not addicted in some personal failure kind of way. You are responding exactly as a human brain would to billion-dollar engineering specifically designed to exploit your psychology. Today's action? Open Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing right now. See your actual number. Then, set one limit on one app. That's it. One thing. That's how it starts.